Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate Facebook account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open up your Facebook app. After you come across this home page, click on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Then click on Settings and Privacy option. Then click on the Settings option once again. Now click on Personal Details option. Then go to Account Ownership and Control option. Tap on Deactivation or Deletion. Here select the Facebook account. Here you can see that the Deactivate Account option has been selected by default. Now click on Continue button. Here you'll have to type in your password. If you do not remember your password, then you can click on Forgotten Password link. Click on Continue button. Here you'll have to select a reason for your deactivation. Then tap on Continue button. Again click on Continue button. Before deactivating, you'll be given with the option to continue using Messenger. If you want to continue using Messenger, then select the option, and if you don't want it, then unselect it. Now click on Deactivate My Account option. And that is how you can deactivate your Facebook account. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.